We know data is the heartbeat of AI, and we are in a world of unstructured data. The worldwide global datasphere data forecasts by 2027 about 90% of all data created will be unstructured. What does this mean for AI? Well, we know that lack of proper storage infrastructure results in many AI project failures. 60 to 80% of AI projects fail. 80% of companies also plan to upgrade their storage infrastructure to better support AI workloads. How can enterprises successfully gain insights from their AI projects and avoid becoming an AI project failure statistic? The answer is a modern approach to data storage. Handle the unstructured world with the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000. Its performance, scale, and cloud operational experience is built for modern AI ML workloads. Be confident to meet performance and scale needs at any stage of the AI workload, from the early stages where capacity is key to the latter stages where performance, low latency, and high throughput are essential. The HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 has no cloud vendor lock-in. You have the flexibility to be where your data lives. It's easy to manage with a cloud operational experience that leverages a containerized architecture featuring Kubernetes-based orchestration. In this video, we will see how the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 not only facilitates AI projects, but accelerates them. An AI pipeline is the central component to an AI project. It is complex, so we will start by breaking down the stages of an AI pipeline. Then we will see how the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 can be used to automate, accelerate, and optimize different stages of the AI pipeline, along with the HPE Machine Learning Data Management Software and the HPE Machine Learning Development Environment. We will show a short demo demonstrating these optimizations and how, for AI workloads, the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 is key to achieving insights faster. Now let's see a typical data pipeline. The AI pipeline begins with raw data ingestion, followed by data processing and transformation, model training and fine-tuning, and finally inference. Throughout this process, it's crucial to handle data efficiently as each stage has unique demands. Now let's simplify, automate, and optimize AI pipelines. Each of these AI pipeline stages are accelerated by the HPE Alletra Storage MP's modern storage approach. It allows us to handle the ever-growing large volumes of unstructured data efficiently, which is pivotal in the beginning stages of the AI pipeline. The X10000's high throughput and low latency access are essential in the latter stages, making it an ideal solution for AI projects. This is made possible because the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 employs a disaggregated shared everything storage architecture, allowing independent scaling of performance and capacity to meet AI workload demands, while also reducing costs and increasing flexibility. Capacity expansion and upgrades can be done with minimal data movement and no disruption, ensuring performance and capacity. This also means having the flexibility to start small and scale to exabytes. The X10000 also features a log-structured key value store optimized for flash media, enhancing speed and performance compared to older architectures designed for disk. This gives the X10000 the sustained high throughput and low latency critical in the final stages of the AI pipeline. To even further supercharge and accelerate the AI pipeline stages of data processing, preparation, training, and fine-tuning, we'll use the HPE Machine Learning Data Management Software, or open source Pachyderm, and the HPE Machine Learning Development Environment, or open source Determined AI. For the rest of this video, I'll refer to the Machine Learning Data Management Software and the Machine Learning Development Environment by their acronyms MLDM and MLDE. We'll use the MLDM to ingest and version control data, making our pipelines fully trackable. MLDM automates data processing and tracks each transformation for easy reproduction and rollback. Once the data is prepared, we'll train and fine-tune our AI models using MLDE, which smoothly coordinates model training, automatically allocates resources, ensures reproducibility, and easily scales across GPUs or clusters. Let's see our accelerated pipeline with MLDM, MLDE, and the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 in action. We will see a pipeline that uses a subset of the dogs versus cats Kaggle dataset to train a model to be able to classify if an image is a dog or a cat. We'll create two MLDM pipelines. In the training pipeline, it will continually run to see if new data is uploaded. We will then upload the dog-cat dataset to trigger it, and a new experiment will run in MLDE using code from GitHub. After training, a model configuration file is generated, triggering the deploy pipeline. In the deploy pipeline, the created checkpoint is then downloaded from the MLDE model registry and deployed to Kserve. Throughout each stage, the HPE Electrostorage MP X10000 provides high-performance object storage with native S3 access. Now let's see our demo in action. This is open source MLDM or Pachyderm. We've already created our project and dogs cats data repo. This is open source MLDE or Determined AI in our workspace already created. Let's kick off our training pipeline, and we see it's running and successful. Now we will create the deploy pipeline. We can see both pipelines are connected since the output of the train pipeline is the input for the deploy pipeline. We see the deploy pipeline succeeded. As mentioned before, the pipelines automatically run when new data is committed to the input repository. The sample images of dogs and cats will now be uploaded to MLDM. Once the uploads are complete, MLDM will start the training pipeline. At this stage, we will look at the MLDE to see the experiment run. Once it completes, the new model will be created and registered. Now we can see if our model makes the correct prediction. The code below lets us use sample JSON files, a cat and dog image, and request a prediction from the Kserve inference service. Let's see the results. Yep, our model predicts correct. The image is a cat and the image is a dog. In the short demo, we saw how MLDM, MLDE, and the HPE Electrostorage MP X10000 supercharge, automate, and optimize creating AI pipelines. We can take these optimizations to have active data lakes to enable real-time data processing and analytics across various domains like cybersecurity, threat detection, real-time inventory management, real-time fraud detection, and finally, keeping the retrieval aspect of retrieval augmented generation up to date. All achievable by using the HPE Electrostorage MP X10000. We know legacy storage solutions don't provide the performance and scale required for modern AI ML workloads. The HPE Electrostorage MP X10000 is built to take advantage of the flexibility of disaggregated storage to increase performance or capacity, depending on the needs of each AI process. Software-defined and built for the cloud means the adaptability to get close to wherever the data lives, while still having the familiar cloud operational experience. Don't let your AI projects fail. Take the new storage approach with the HPE Electrostorage MP X10000.